Welcome to Manipulation. Today, we will learn how to create 3D Instagram post like this. So, let's start. For this you need this Instagram template. You can download it from the link in description. Also you require your image with background removed from it. To learn how to remove background in just 5 seconds, click the I button. Firstly, go to Rectangle Marquee tool and select the picture area as shown in video. Now, create new layer and press Ctrl plus backspace simultaneously. Bring your background removed image to original file. Place according to look you want. Now bring your image that has background and place it behind background removed image. Try to match the size of both images as shown in video. Clip the image, which has background, to the blank layer that we created before. Now, it's time to apply some effects. Firstly, blur background little bit. Then we will apply some shadow effects. Now, apply shadow as shown in video. That was the first method. You can also apply shadow in another way, which will give more professional look. Just follow the steps as shown next to the video.